Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 4th December 2021. So in this briefing we will discuss about details of cyclone Jabad over West Central Bay of Bengal, its impact in terms of rainfall, wind, fishermen warning and different synoptic systems over different parts of the country, past realized 24 hours rainfall. So let us begin with this slide. We can see that during past 24 hours, only Tamil Nadu and Odisha Met subdivision reported heavy rainfall. In Tamil Nadu, in the districts of Salem, one of the stations reported 10 centimeter rainfall. In Met subdivision Odisha, Jagatsinghpur district, Paradip station reported 7 centimeter. In coastal Andhra Pradesh, Kalingapatnam reported 5 centimeter. So these are the satellite imagery giving cloudiness over different parts of the country and also synoptic systems. So we can say that here cyclonic storm over this West Central Bay of Bengal based on 0830 hours IST of today analysis shows that it lies roughly around 16.4 degree north, 84.8 degree east, and also there is a cyclonic circulation over Gulf of Mannar and neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels, and another cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Arabian Sea and adjoining South Gujarat coast. And western disturbance lies roughly 58 degree east and 30 degree north. So these are the other synoptic systems. Details of this cyclonic system Jabad we will discuss here. This is the track of this cyclonic storm based on 0830 hours IST of today. So this is the black color shows that this is the observed track, and red color shows, red dot shows this forecasted track. And accordingly this quadrant wind distribution also shown here. Black shows the observed and red one is the forecasted. Details for these systems regularly being updated and available at RSMC website and mosam.imd.gov.in, and also we are regularly updating on our Facebook page and Twitter pages. You can refer them, follow them. So this is the forecast and situation of the cyclone storm. It lies over West Central Bay of Bengal and moved nearly northwards with a speed of 6 kmph during past 6 hours, and lay centered at 0830 hours IST of today over West Central Bay of Bengal near latitude 16.4, 84.8 degrees east, about 210, that is 210 km east southeast of Visakhapatnam, 320 km south of Gopalpur, and 390 km south southwest of Puri, and 470 km south southwest of Paradip in Odisha. As far as the forecast of this system is concerned, it is likely to move nearly northwards, weaken gradually during next 12 hours, and then move northeastwards along Odisha coast, reaching near Puri around tomorrow, that is 5th December noon, as a deep depression. Subsequently, it is likely to weaken further and continue to move northeastwards along Odisha coast towards West Bengal coast. So associated rainfall warning is also given here. As far as today's warning is concerned, light to moderate rainfall is expected at most places, with heavy to very heavy rainfall at and extremely heavy fall, that is more than 20 centimeter at isolated places, very likely over coastal Odisha. Heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over north coastal Andhra Pradesh, interior Odisha, and coastal districts of Gangetic West Bengal. And 5th December warning is concerned, light to moderate rainfall at many places, with heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal, North Odisha, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Assam and Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura. And 6th December warning are concerned, light to moderate rainfall at many places, with heavy rainfall at isolated places, likely over South Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura. So we will also give detail-wise, district-wise warning of Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh. As far as fishermen warnings are concerned, fishermen are advised not to venture into West Central and Northwest Bay of Bengal and along and of North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal coast on 4th and 5th December. In graphics format, we are also giving this fisherman warning. So this is the warning graphics for fisherman warning. You can see that today this North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal coast, and tomorrow this North Odisha and West Bengal coast, and day after tomorrow, that is on 6th, it is West Bengal coast. Warning has been issued. We will read out that gale wind speed reaching 70 to 80, gusting to 90 kmph prevails over West Central Bay of Bengal. It would gradually decrease, becoming 60 to 70, gusting to 80 kmph over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal by midnight of today. And it would decrease further, becoming 50 to 60, gusting to 70 from the morning of 5th December over northwest Bay of Bengal. Squally winds speed reaching 45, 55, gusting to 65, likely to prevail over along and off North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha coast during next 12 hours. And it would gradually increase, becoming 55, 65, gusting to 75 till morning of 5th December, and squally winds speed reaching 50 to 60, gusting to 70 kmph from 4th morning till afternoon. And it would decrease thereafter gradually. Squally wind speed reaching 45, 55, gusting to 65, 5 kmph also likely to commence along and of West Bengal coast from today evening till evening of 5th December and gradually decrease thereafter. So this is the warning graphics for fishermen and associated text I have read spell out. Kindly refer our again requesting RSMC and mosam.ind.gov.in for updated forecast and warnings. So these are the district-wise rainfall warning and wind warning for Odisha. You can see that orange and red color has been given for these coastal districts, showing possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy, and this Puri and Jagatsinghpur expected isolated extreme heavy as also as well. And heavy rainfall is expected joining interior districts like Kingston and Mayurbhanj and Nayagarh and Kandhamal districts also. As far as wind warning, I already told, and this is shown by road orange color here for this Jagatsinghpuri and Ganjam, possibility of 55, 65 gusting to 75, and other districts is expected quite less wind speed. However, 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph is expected, shown by this dark yellow color, and light yellow color shows the possibility of 30 to 40 gusting to 50 kmph today. And this is warning graphics for tomorrow, rainfall and wind warning. So this shows that orange color is shifted now north coastal Odisha districts and adjoining interior districts like Mayurbhanj, where there is a possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall, and yellow color shows the possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over these districts. And this is the wind warning for tomorrow, that is 5th December 2021. So orange color shows the possibility of 50 to 60 gusting to 70 kmph over Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur and Puri districts, and adjoining districts is shown by light to dark yellow color, possibility of 40 to 50 and 30 to 40 kmph in gusting 50 to 60 kmph. So this is the this is the rainfall warning graphics for West Bengal. So today there is a possibility of heavy rainfall this south Gangetic West Bengal districts, and tomorrow orange color is shown, possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall over the south Gangetic West Bengal districts, and also this heavy rainfall is shown here by yellow color. And also this for 6th, there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over these districts shown here by yellow color, and the same are available on our regional meteorological center Kolkata website also, you can refer them. And this is the district wise warning graphics for north coastal Andhra Pradesh. So shows here orange color for these three districts like Visakhapatnam, Vizianagaram and Srikakulam districts, leading to possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall over these districts at isolated places today, and tomorrow rainfall will decrease. So this is generalized impact expected and action suggested. So we can already told that there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places over coastal Odisha on today, that is 4th December 2021, and very heavy rainfall is expected over north coastal Andhra Pradesh and interior Odisha on today, and over Gangetic West Bengal on 4th and 5th, and over north Odisha on 5th December 2021. So we will read out that major damage to houses, huts is expected, breaking of tree branches, etc. You can also tell that minor damage to power and communication lines, localized building of roads, occasional reduction in visibility due to the heavy rainfall, and disruption of traffic in major cities, minor damage to kacha roads, possibility of damage to vulnerable structures, localized landslide, mudslides, and damage to horticulture and stunting crops in some areas due to the heavy rainfall. And also action, as per action suggested are concerned, total suspension of fishing operations, check for traffic congestion, follow traffic advisories, avoid going to areas that face waterlogging problems and avoid staying in one structure. Harvest the ripened crops like paddy and check out the harvested crops. And another major significant weather is there is a possibility of wet spell over western region, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, and adjoining plains like Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi between 4 to 6 December. So because I already told the WT is running roughly around 58 to 30 degree north, so it is likely to cause scattered to widespread thunderstorm activity over western Nepal region like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand between 4 to 6 December, and isolated heavy rainfall snowfall also likely over Jammu Kashmir on 5th December. Isolated light rainfall is expected over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi on 5th December. So these are the generalized graphics. I already told detailed about these warning graphics, and significant weather already told. However, there is a possibility of, as far as South Peninsular India is concerned, isolated heavy rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu and Kerala during next 2 days. That is on 4th and 5th December, and heavy rainfall is also expected on 6th December over Kerala and Mahe. And dense fog is at isolated pockets also likely over North Punjab on 6th morning, and dense fog is expected on 7th December morning or 6th December night over this Punjab and Haryana Med subdivisions. So these are the generalized graphics I am showing here. Already discussed in detail about the different warnings. So it is requested kindly download our different apps and follow our Mosam website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in. Follow our Facebook and Twitter pages, and also see our YouTube videos we are uploading regularly. Thank you. We will meet again with different episode of Daily Weather Briefing. Thank you.